Sickness is but another name for sin. Healing is but another name for God. The miracle is thus a call to Him. It's an interesting world when everything's so defined and constructed in a fashion that we can't see past it. There are laws to the universe that must be applied to everything. Everything goes by, say, the law of physics, physicality. And if anything goes outside of these physical laws, then they must be imaginary, elusive, wrong, distorted, or delusional. But when it becomes undeniable is when you actually start experiencing miracles yourself, to every degree of what you might define a miracle as. They are all possible. And it is through that experience of a happy dream, the transparent illuminated reality, that you have centered your journey to discovering God. But through that experience, it starts with a reality where it seems completely confined to these laws, stuck, adhered to a physical confines, and then the shifting, the shaking, the turning of them, recognizing that they are not as solid and confining as they so appear, as we have so believed. And we start to experience actual miracles in our lives. We start to make decisions for experiences of miracles. And we start to bring them about, choosing them, recognizing that we are closer to God than we have previously recognized. And it is only possible by that of God that we experience this form of a miraculous life, that we experience a true, serious reality where there are no limits, there are no levels and degrees to what can be done and what will be done by you and your miraculous hand. For you are now a conduit, a channel, a host to God itself. All sickness, all disease, all separation, pain, and suffering is the sin that you think you are separate from God. And as you accept your reality, naturally is all sickness and disease dissolved away, dispelled, forgiven.